Michal Dunski, Coach's Development Homework, Lesson 8, the Whiteboard Brief. Today I have chosen, option 1 from the list, which is a workout, 4 repetitions, so we're accumulating repetitions. You'll have 1 minute to do as many squat cleans as possible, followed by another minute to do as many push jerks as possible. Then we go to a 2-minute window where we're trying to get as many squat cleans as possible, another 2-minute window to do as many push jerks as possible, then a 3-minute window to do as many squat cleans as possible, and a final 3-minute window to do as many push jerks as possible. So we've got a couplet. The barbell is 135 pounds for men, 95 pounds for women, or 61 kilos for men, 43 for women. So today's workout stimulus, we're going for 12 minutes of pure barbell work. And even though your heart rate is going to skyrocket and it is going to get high, this is definitely going to be more of a muscular and skill endurance workout. You'll start feeling pretty confident in the first minute of squat cleans and first minute of push jerks, but as soon as that 2-minute window and then the 3-minute window comes in, you're going to start feeling some muscle fatigue in your hips, your legs, and even your shoulders. So something to keep in mind when we're deciding how to scale this workout appropriately. Speaking of scaling the workout appropriately, the first thing would be to reduce the weight to a load that you can cycle through at least single reps on the cleans quite confidently without missing a repetition, something that you know that you can do. And then for our push jerks, we're looking at doing, small clusters of touch and go sets. I'm not expecting anyone to touch and go for a whole minute non-stop. That's ridiculous, particularly as we get to the 2-minute and 3-minute mark. But you should be pretty confident in hitting anywhere between 6 and 8 repetitions while you're somewhat fresh, and maybe 3 to 5 repetitions at a time when you get a little bit more fatigued. Now, if we have any injuries in the class, let's say we have a lower back injury where pulling the barbell from the floor is quite uncomfortable, but being in a front rack position is okay, I may change it to a hang clean for the person, or if the hang clean is still aggravating the back, we might work on a front squat or a goblet squat, something that still challenges that squat endurance pattern, but doesn't limit the person to, aggravating their back. We might even do a box squat if that allows the person to get that barbell into that front rack position and work on that squatting pattern. And with our shoulders, if we had a shoulder injury, we could change the plane of movement. We could do something instead like a floor press or a bench press if we have the equipment for it. Or if it's mainly a mobility piece or a wrist issue, we can do dumbbells instead of a barbell. That should alleviate a little bit of that discomfort there. Now, what I want everyone to do is grab a dowel or a stick, grab a barbell, spread yourselves around the room facing me. We're going to go through some basic barbell movement as a primer, just to get the body moving, get into the right positions. We'll then hit up some skill work prior to loading up the barbells and hitting today's workout.